Hi everyone, Kat and Maya here from our home in Baltimore. We decided to not travel this Thanksgiving and to stay home instead for a super low-key dinner for just the two of us. We virtually welcome you to our home to see what's on our menu for tonight. Right, Maya? Maya? Yeah? And we wish everyone watching this a very happy Thanksgiving and holiday season. We started our morning by watching the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. And soon after, the cooking began. First, I boiled some potatoes, prepped the lentils and veggies for the vegan shepherd's pie. Then I mashed the potatoes with some vegan butter and some salt and pepper. Then I added a delicious layer of buttery potatoes on top of the veggies and lentils and placed the vegan shepherd's pie in the oven. Then I prepped Maya's special Thanksgiving dinner with pumpkin and carrots and some salmon and even some bell peppers, which she really likes. Let's go get some dinner.
Are everywhere. I mean, we're just in the angels are doing
Good
all kinds
girl.
of work. And, I mean, the angel's the one that, calls your attention. I was, when I was 7.
Then I finished prepping the salad and put the kettle on the stove for some tea.
For the belief in the
Mama, are you done already?
Uncreated.
You're done already?
Shade, kindly elaborate on.
And once the kettle buzzed, I prepped my black tea. And dinner is finally ready. Here's the vegan shepherd's pie with lentils, veggies, and potatoes. And the vegan mac and cheese with veggies and crushed red pepper. And my black tea with North Carolina honey. And these look like huge mozzarella sticks, but they're actually Gardein's plant-based savory stuffed turkey. And there we have it, my vegan Thanksgiving dinner. Oh, okay.
I know. I'm like, it's so early. Okay. Well,
We started at 4.
wow.
Dinner was at 4.
Come on. Come and say bye. Up. Come on. Up. You got it. Oh, don't you dare. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Maya says bye too. Say bye, Maya. Bye.